So this is how you can rearrange Instagram photos after posting them. It's actually very simple. So open up Instagram. There's actually no direct way of doing this, but we're still going to be able to do it. Tap on the three dots at the top right in your post, and you're going to want to tap on edit. Once you do, as you can see from the bottom left of the image, you could actually delete that. As you can see, I'm going to delete one, and then I'm going to delete this next one with the hint of purple. Now, both of these only have blue in them. So let's tap on done and go back to our main profile. Now, those images are only two, as you can see, instead of the four that we had earlier. Let's go back to our three lines at the top right and then tap on your activity. Let's tap on recently deleted. And now what you're going to want to do is go to those images and then basically tap on the reset button at the top right, and it's going to reappear in your photos. If it doesn't work, it's probably just the bad data. And there you go, it's going to restore it. There you go, it says restored. Now let's try it on the other one. Tap on restore and just wait for it to load, and here we are. So it may seem like it's still here, but I'm pretty sure it's just loading. So when we actually go back in, it's no longer there. But what it is it's in here. So if we just give it time to load, or maybe even restart our profile, it's going to appear at the end of our images instead of at the first. So that is how you can rearrange your photos on a posted Instagram. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.